I'm Patrick Jameson, and in this video, we're going to install our assembled unit into the masonry opening. I'm going to demonstrate where to apply the appropriate sealant and ensure your doors operate correctly. I've now flipped the door upright and have the hinges facing the exterior. It is now time to set the unit into the opening. Now it's time to attach our frame to the block. Using your masonry drill bit, drill the block through the pre-punched holes of the frame. Then use your masonry fasteners to hold the frame to the block, but don't over-tighten them, as you may need to adjust the frame. Any gaps between the frame and the block greater than 1/16 of an inch, you will need to use your shims to support the frame. Keep in mind the frame needs to stay square, true, level, and plumb. Inside the box with hardware, this bag will have your 2 3/4 inch concrete fasteners that are strictly for the hinge into the block. I will then continue to follow the same process with the rest of the pre-punched holes in the frame and our masonry fasteners. When installing the threshold, drill the concrete through the pre-punched holes of the threshold, get all that dust out of the hole, and fill the cavity with the appropriate sealant. You can even run your fasteners through the tube of sealant and then down to attach the threshold to the concrete. After inspection, cap off the head of the fastener with sealant. After every couple of fasteners, ensure the door operates correctly and the throw bolts all latch into the plate of the frame. Don't forget, on the inactive slab, you have a bottom throw bolt that you will need to close and latch. When you're ready to check the operation of the active door, remove this screw first, and inside the box of hardware, you'll find your construction handle. This will allow you to engage and disengage the deadbolt as well as the plunger. Once the door has been adjusted and all fasteners tightened, apply a bead of appropriate sealant around the exterior of the door frame. So to recap this video, we've now installed the door, applied the appropriate sealant, and ensure the slabs operate and latch correctly. In the next video, I'm going to snap all the covers on and show you how to adjust the plunger.